Hey guys, welcome to Team Coding Plaza. Today we are going to looking the concept of make directory. It's called how to create a directory in Linux. Okay, so let's go through the video. Here we are going to cover the topics of that. What is the mk directory command and how to use the make directory. And here in this series, I'm going to cover that create nested directories and how at a time we can able to create multiple directories inside so in Windows, will be create no one directory inside another directory. Like that only will be create. Okay. So let's start the first comment. That what is the mk directory command? Okay. So mk directory stands for make directory. It helps you to create new folders. Physical directories will be called in another word, right? In Linux, from the command line, instead of using a file manager, you can quickly generate directories with a simple command. Okay. Normally, Windows, what we will do? Let's see in Windows first. See here, we are having a folder called CodingPlaza, right? So here how we will be create? We are going to new and we are going to give the folder and new folder has been created inside different folders will be created. Same like that, how we can able to do in Linux. Linux is not a graphical user interface, it's a command line interface, right? So we'll see there. Yeah, we have seen right how Windows will be created and coming to the Linux and will be create using this command mkdir new folder or else what are the folder name you want to give. Okay, this is the file create folder name called new folder in the current directory. So let's see in the terminal how it will be work. Yeah, here our background that mobax term we are using right for the Windows to run the Linux command. No, so I'm going to start the terminal. Yeah, here terminal has been created. We are going to move to CodingPlaza. Okay, so we are having a folder called CodingPlaza. Yes. So I'm inside CodingPlaza, right? So here there is no directories are there. Okay. So here we are going to create a new directory called assume there will be like videos we are going to create no. So like videos I will be create. Okay. mkdir videos. See here. If I'm giving list command, here videos folder has been created. No, here the hyphen is D. As per new earlier videos also, here all the permissions will be there. And I will make a separate video of this concepts also. Okay. So using mkdir videos, I have made that videos folder. If I'm going inside videos, yes, I'm inside videos. I can able to make another directory, right? Audio. Okay. Yeah. Inside one audio file has been created, no? Same like this, you can able to utilize the MK directory. I think you guys have been understood how to create MK directory. MK directory is nothing else that simple words make directory. Okay. I think I have covered this video for today. So let's see with nested directories in the next video. Please stay tuned. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.